there's Paul. He's trying to start that pig. Oh, come on, Grandma. Put your back into it. Oh, shit, Gladys. Oh, wait, there she goes. She breathes live. Okay. Okay, hopefully they don't hurt my bike. I can't imagine it's in the way. Dusty's ready to race. Oh, Paul's ready to race. There they go. Around the far turn. Dusty. Paul, Dusty. Oh, oh. Well, Paul's whooping up on it now. Dusty can't stand that. Oh, I see the smoke. Oh. He's not going to let him pass. You shall not pass. Oh, Dusty made the pass. Come on. Don't let him do that to you. Come on, Paul. Your manhood called. Said grow a set and race with them. Shit. Oh, and they're back at it now. Lap 2, heat 2. Winner of this decides the main. Oh, Dusty missed the gear. Paul's taking advantage. Oh. Gonna have to pass in the final turn. Oh, he goes to the inside, steals the inside line. Oh, now it's on. Oh, it's on now. Oh, look at him go. Oh, Paul takes it back. Goes outside. Dusty. Oh, Paul takes the inside line. Dusty squeezed. He's boned. He's going to have to come back. He's going to have to ride his kahunas off. Oh, dear. Come on, you got a few words for your fans.